guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. Today I'm going to show you how to take out a headlight on a 2015 Ford Focus. Alright, now on a Ford Focus, there's nothing really holding the light in. You got a T30 screw here and a T30 screw here. All we have to do is remove those. So we're going to remove these. One right here and one right there. Take that off and take the one off here, and then get you a pry tool, because this light is pushed into the fender, secured to the fender. You just stick it up on there and push up on it. Now this whole light should just come out just like that, and that's where it's actually secured to the fender at. If you look up under the bottom of this, it's like a little thing right here. See that? And that pushes into it, and that's all that holds that light on to the car. I have the bumper off right now, but just wanted to show you guys how to remove that light. Very easy. J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.